Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Business Process Reengineering has been around for some time as a concept. The idea is that you don't want to be constrained by how you do things today. You want to step back and look at your entire process, your entire business in a completely new way, unconstrained ideally by how you've done things in the past. So what you want to do is you want to essentially look at your vision for what you're trying to do and what you're trying to achieve, and then figure out what processes, what change levers, what metrics, all of the different dimensions of what will lead you to be successful in implementing a whole-scale new process. So usually business process reengineering includes a number of sequential steps in terms of identifying and defining the change you want to make and then implementing it. So there's no one perfect model or one agreed upon model in the industry, but the idea is that you want to make sure you're not constrained by how you've done things in the past, if you can be, and then define that ideal state that you want. And then as you do that, move through a number of thought processes to help you figure out how do you reinvent what you're doing, how you're doing it, who's doing it, and then the kind of output you want that should ideally be a breakthrough in terms of how you're going about it today and what you want to see in the future. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.